Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my Hobonichi Cousin in the Weeks. I'm planning in the Techo for 2022 and I'm using some new stickers that are out in my shop. If you want to check those out, go to simplifiedplan.com and you can get to the link there. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of start moving here along. I thought this peachy kind of pink would be fun for these summer months that we're in right now. Now that we're done with the 4th of July, although red, white, and blue is still kind of one of my favorites. It's a fun month. So I think what I'm going to do for my bottom, instead of using my washi strips, is I found this and I thought it kind of matched. It's a older washi tape that I have, and I just thought I would give this a little bit more of a pop of color. So we're gonna lay this down. I do this because I don't use the bottom section of my planner as much, so I like to put some color here. Generally use washi tape. Sometimes I use sticker strips, and I just think it adds. So I'm really digging having the day of the week up here. But what I decided to do this week is I'm not going to cover the number. I'm just going to cover below it, which sometimes this area can be super helpful in this planner. So I'm hoping I don't regret that this week. But if I do, it's only a week, so I will be able to deal with it for the week and not do it next week, hopefully, unless I forget. My trick seems to always be I struggle to lay stickers completely straight, even though Hobonichi has amazing lines. I don't know what it is, but yeah. So one thing I love about this week's spread is it like has gradients of pink and peach in it, and I just think that's super pretty, and it kind of breaks up, I feel like, the color. So yeah. Okay, oops, got a little something stuck there. And one more day. And then I'm going to add a to-do here. And I was thinking about covering up the calendar month view, just because honestly I always try to use it, and for some reason I always end up looking at the dates wrong, and so I'm just going to cover that this week and go without it. And I think that'll do perfect. Okay, and then I was thinking about putting this to-do sticker right over like layer it, but I'm not sure if the colors are going to go, so we're just going to try it, and then I might end up. Okay, I totally gummed that one up. I'm not going to use that one. I tore it as I was pulling it off. Didn't realize that. Let's see. We have some of these. Let's try some of these. I'm sure I have a to-do sticker somewhere. I guess I could have used one in my remembrance, but that's okay. I'd rather have to do It's a little bit. We'll just throw it in this box. And then I can use this area for my to do. Alright, and then we're going to put some dots on for Monday. Thursday. And then what I've been doing is keeping the sticker packs in the rest of my calendar, which most people do, so that I can use them throughout the week. Because I do add stuff throughout the week. And that just really works for me. So that's something, if that works for you, to just have it like as a tag along for when you need it. And then I don't have to worry about putting everything out now, which is always like a lot less pressure. Awesome. Okay, and then I'm going to put one more, I think. Actually, I gotta find a cute clip here. Use up some of my other stickers. Nothing wrong with mix and matching a little bit. Let's see if there's something in here. Nope. Okay. Maybe in the corners. Just do this little thing here. And actually, I wonder if I could take one of these . Put that there. Sorry, I might have had that angled. Can't even see. Okay, there. Awesome. So that's my week layout for this week. I hope you enjoyed seeing some new designs and a new layout. Hopefully it inspires you in some way. I mean, it's super simple, but I like it. So have a great day, and we will see you again next time.